Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use Meta AI in Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you're signed into your account, and then you need to tap on the chats. So once you tap on the chats, right at the top is you can see Ask Meta AI or search. So you can even search something here or ask Meta AI. So here are there's some bunch of prompts here that you can just give them, and Meta AI will come up with answer. So how to win a chess. So if you tap on that one, it sends the message in a chat to Meta AI, and as you can see, it's finding answers now. So it will give you all the possible answers. So guys, this is how you can search something. Like you can search anything with the Meta and it will come up with answer. You don't need to go to your web browser to search anymore. Another thing is that you can even create images. Like if I say create an image of a dog walking on the beach, and just send this message, and after some time this image will be created by Meta AI inside the chat. You can share that picture with your friends, or you can just save it to your phone as well. So if I tap on that one, as you can see, this is now the image created by Meta AI inside the chat. So here, if you press and hold for long, you can save that one to your phone as well. You can reply to that one, you can forward it as well, you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, it depends on you. So this is how, and you can actually give more prompts, like if you can say that make the dog fly, and it will do that as well. So this is how you can create images. One more important thing here, if you go to any chat, like if suppose I open this chat and here I tap on the typing option, that type in a message, and I just @ and then I do Meta AI. I need to just enable that one, and here I can say imagine a flying dog. So once I do that and I tap on enter that one, so just imagine what will happen now. As you can see, Meta created a photo of a dog which is actually flying. Isn't that cool? So if you're talking to your friends inside the chat, and you can just mention Meta AI and then write imagine and then give it a prompt, so it will create very cool images that you can share with your friends. So guys, this is all it takes to use Meta AI in Instagram. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.